Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear beloved brother and sisters. So as you can see, this is Nur Alam. Welcome back to my English habit. So today I am here. Actually, this area fully private area. Okay, but I record my video. Okay, so don't worry. Actually, into uh, uh, entry I entry uh, park. Okay, so and after exercise I record my video. Okay, so this is a fully practicing video, and my behind many people's play game like football and like uh, uh, cricket. Okay, their favorite games. Okay, and actually I my favorite game football. Okay, but I am very busy also. Okay, so that's why I don't play cricket or football. Okay, but sometimes I play game. Okay, so okay, don't worry. Actually, uh, this is a practicing video. So uh, uh, when uh, uh, when I free time, okay, so I record my video and I record my speak English. Okay, so actually I want to really learn English. Okay, so that's why every day I am trying improving my English. Okay, and actually this is a fully natural area. Okay, and in front of this is a pond and big pond. Okay, and my beside fully big area, big field. Okay, so morning time fully fresh time here. Okay, so that's why I came here, and my in front of you in front of uh, here this is a ponds. Okay, okay, so let's go our main point. Actually, if you really learn English or if you want to really speak English properly, every day practice, because practice makes a man perfect. Only just one day practice, your will be fluency. No, brother, only just one day practice, your fluency come. Not, no, never. Okay. Uh, uh, you will be practice every time, like your free time you can try practice listening, reading, writing and speaking. Okay, but speaking part is very important. Okay, because if you don't practice, your English improvement not. Okay, so that's why uh, you should be every day uh, practice English. Okay, like first time uh, you tell your identity. Okay, your about. Okay, if you are a beginner learner. Okay, you first time your identity like your about. Okay, and second uh, you tell your family. Okay, and third you tell your uh, school life and like madrasa or madrasa about. Okay, any type you tell and record your video. Okay, actually uh, uh, recording this very important. Okay. So you can try everyday record video in front of camera. Okay, and like 1 minute you can try first time 1 minute, 2 minute, and day by day uh, duration increase. Okay, so don't worry, duration automatically increase when your fluency comes, so your increase all everything. Okay, so don't worry, right or wrong doesn't matter. Okay, because your surrounding, your yeah, your uh, all every surrounding, all people uh, cannot understand English. Okay, so don't worry, you just tell, you just practice speak English. Okay, because uh, there are maximum uh, people, like 99% people uh, cannot speak English. Okay, and cannot understand English. So don't worry, you just practice, you just tell English, and you just practice English. Okay, I know here many people come and hear, but all every people cannot speak, cannot understand English. So why you uh, will be shy? Why? Right? So you just practice. So that's why I don't stop my record video. Okay, I am continuous record my video. Doesn't matter. I don't care another people. I don't care many people. Okay, because many people uh, cannot uh, keep fluency. Right? This is my uh, achievement. This is my hard work. Okay, any people cannot me keep cannot me fluency or confidence. Okay, so this is my improvement, this is my hard work. Okay, so actually uh, what I want, what I want uh, uh, what I want I uh, give me. Okay, so okay, so already 8 minute plus record my video, this video. So I hope you learned something this video. I believe it, inshallah you will be success, and we will be success one day, I believe it. Okay, so but everyday consistency and everyday habit, good habit create. Okay, inshallah we will be success. Just wait and just practice. So keep learning, keep practicing every day, just and never give up. Okay, so see you soon in the next video. So tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, assalamu alaikum.